Hi everybody, it's Honest John, and I am outside a place called the Proud Bird, which is where I'm going to be performing tonight. And let me show you what they're talking about when they're talking about the Proud Bird. This place is all about airplanes. They're not talking about some proud chicken or proud duck. They're talking about airplanes. And cool looking airplanes too. Although it's a little dark, I hope this does it justice. We have a bunch of cool little planes out here, and I believe there are some on the other side, so I'm going to take a quick walk around there. More later.